Assalamualaikum. My name is Dr. Sulaiman. I am a microbiologist and infectious disease specialist. I have been looking forward to this clinic, Hijama, Health and Hijama Clinic, which is situated in Bangalore, MBBS. I am looking forward to this technique called Hijama, which has been prescribed in Sunnah in various ahadiths. I was actually concentrating on the spiritual aspect in reviving the Sunnah and gaining out of it and seeking the pleasure of Almighty. This was going on for a few years, and I had done my research background work. And on the way of passing, I have an opportunity to come to this clinic. The reception was warm, and the clinic is well maintained, spacious, clean, and comfortable. It is not a disturbing kind of environment. Everything is so beautifully and so properly arranged, and they had given me proper guidance, what is the procedure, how it is being done, and they guided me to go to Dr. Syed Sirajul Saab, who is a well qualified and well educated person who explains the procedure in detail with respect to the final points, talking about the precautions, what needs to be done before Hijama and after the Hijama. All the procedures were comfortably explained, and I was taken into confidence. Then I moved on to the procedure, where he explained to me what should be done in terms of Sunnah way with respect to the various zikr and askar and what to do, proceed with respect to that. And Alhamdulillah, I was put at ease completely. And what I could feel during the procedure was, even before he started the procedure, he explained to me that everything what he is using is a sterile disposable cups, and even including the scalpel blade which is going to use, that was right in front of me. It was shown it is a sterile, unused or unopened sterile scalpel blade which is going to be used now. So I was feeling more comfortable now that I am coming from an infectious disease background. This was a high priority for me. Fine. Alhamdulillah, the procedure started. He explained to me that you'll be having some liquids and some fluids will be sprayed on your body. I can understand it as antiseptics, and he followed the sterile cleaning procedures, following which the cupping procedure was initiated. I could literally feel the movement which is happening in my back of my body. We initially focused on the Sunnah points. So once I felt that moment, I was literally put at ease, both physically, mentally, as well as spiritually. The procedure went on comfortable, no problem whatsoever. And after a duration of around 5 to 10 minutes, then the nicking process started. Initial first 2 or 3, there was a little bit of discomfort, but after that, every brick I could easily, happily manage without even having any tension at all. All the bricks were bearable, comfortable, with no signs of any difficulty whatsoever. Alhamdulillah. The procedure got over in a duration of 10 to 15 minutes, and once this 10 to 15 minutes were over, and then he asked me whether I was comfortable, and he was regularly monitoring my physical comfort and vitals, etc. Everything was stable. Then he himself, along with his team of assistants, he thoroughly cleaned it, wiped it, applied the antiseptic powder, and then he asked me to get up. After the procedure was completed, he offered me water mixed with honey and the regular cleaning procedures, and as well as he advised me what are the various askar to be done. Alhamdulillah, it was an opportunity for me that I could meet this team of well qualified people who have done a great amount of service. Alhamdulillah. And what I could say is, I was more in the need for reviving a Sunnah, so seeking the pleasure of Almighty. And Alhamdulillah, I feel as a sense of responsibility, morally as well as religiously also, I have taken the first step, and I am thankful for Dr. Syed Sirajul Saab, who has given me this opportunity to fulfill it. Thank you, and I recommend all of you people, whoever is interested in this, please come to this place and have a look at the facilities, have an interaction, one-on-one interaction, such that you can have your doubts clarified and make yourself comfortable, put yourself at ease, and then confidently please go ahead with doing this procedure. You can also utilize this procedure even if you are not thinking of Sunnah, because several such benefits have been mentioned and people have been utilizing these benefits, even those who are coming not from a religious point of view. Like for example, we have had reports in which several athletes like swimmers, cricket players and other professionals, they have been utilizing it and reaping the benefits of it. What benefit did I get? After completing the procedure, I was about to ask Dr. Saab whether has he increased the brightness of this room. Alhamdulillah, my eyesight, my vision is slightly clearer, which was compared to the previous time. I was okay, but after doing the procedure, it became more clearer. I was literally surprised, how did this happen? Alhamdulillah. Even my upper shoulder joints have become more freer now. Okay, but all these aside, my intention was to revive the Sunnah and please the Almighty, which I have taken the first step. I am thankful for it. Thank you so much.
So what's your qualification?
I am MBBS, and after that I have done my MD microbiology. I am an infectious disease consultant.